This video is sponsored by Hoto and their new Pixel Drive screwdriver. So this is my new tool that I use to do things like building PCs or assemble stuff at home. As you can see, it comes in this type of sleek cylinder which includes 30-bit. What I like about this case is that it isn't very big compared to other electric screwdrivers cases, and it also adds function. Talking about the screwdriver itself, it works very well as it has 6 different torque levels, and yeah, it also has a dual speed, so it can go very fast or very slow. It also has a screen here, as you can see, which is very good because you can know the things like the torque level, percentage of the battery, when it's off, when it's on, things like that. There's also 2 more things which I love about this screwdriver. The first one is this LED light, which stays on for a bit of extra time. And the other thing is the USB-C, which is perfect because I can use my phone charger to charge the screwdriver, and I don't need a separate dedicated charger for this screwdriver, you know. If you're interested in the screwdriver, you can check out the link in the description of this video. Now, let's continue with the PC build.